Let's learn the farm animals.
Cow, cow,
Cow. Big animals that say moo. They give us milk to drink. Pig. 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 Pink, curly, tailed animals that love to roll in mud. They say oink. Chicken. 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 They peck the ground and lay eggs. You might hear them say cluck. Horse. 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 Tall animals that love to run fast. They have long manes and say neigh. Sheep. 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 Fluffy animals with soft wool. They say baa and give us wool for sweaters. Goat. 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 Playful animals with beards and horns. They say meh and can climb well. Duck. 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 They love water and have webbed feet for swimming. Ducks say quack. Turkey. Turkey. Turkey, big birds with fanned out tails. They make a gobble sound. Rabbit. Rabbit. Rabbit, small and hoppy with long ears. They love to eat carrots. Donkey. 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 Strong animals with long ears. They say hee-haw and can carry heavy loads.